Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to switch my Instagram to a business account. Without further ado, let's get started. Now from your profile in Instagram, click the three lines at the top right corner and then find the account type and tools. Now switch to professional account and just click continue. Now after that, just select what best describes you. For example, a clothing brand, and then done. Now select the business. Now after that, just put your business email, and then once you're done, proceed. Now these are the different options to set up your business account. Now it's optional and it depends to you. Now you can follow different creators. You can also grow your audience. Now you can also select your goals, just like that. Now once you're done setting up your account, just go back to your profile, and then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.